Hello, in this video I will show you how to insert SIM card into HUAWEI Nova 11 SE. So you have to use your SIM tray key, and then at the bottom of your device there is a SIM tray, and you have to put in your SIM tray key into this hole and press down, and your SIM tray should pop up. You can pull it out and then put your SIM card on your SIM tray like this, and now you can put SIM tray back in. Now let's check if my SIM card works, and as you can see I have network bars here, so that means that my SIM card is working. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.